Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to apply for RedotPay virtual card in 2026. Now, if you haven't created your RedotPay account yet, or if you haven't received the $5 bonus, I highly recommend you to use the link that is given in the description in order to sign up with a fresh email. This way you are going to get free $5 and you can use these $5 in order to basically purchase any of the things online. So when you open your Red.Pay application for the very first time and when you sign up for the very first time, you are going to see the cards section. So when you tap on the option of the cards section, you are going to see all of the cards, whether it is a virtual card or a physical card, that you can basically apply for here on Red.Pay. So after completing the KYC verification only, then you can apply for the virtual card. So here you are going to see different types of virtual cards. So you can just simply take a look at which virtual card you want to apply for. So after selecting the virtual card that you want to apply for, you just have to simply select the option of apply for card here in the bottom. Now the next thing that you need to do is to simply select the billing address. So simply tap on this pencil icon and you need to fill out the correct address. Then you just have to tap on the option of promo code, and over here you just have to put the promo code which is given in the description in order to save 20% on your purchase. So by default the $10 fees is applicable for your virtual card, but if you use the promo code that is given in the description, it will be basically reduced to $8 only, meaning that you are going to get 20% discount. So after doing this, you just have to simply tap on the option of pay. Now when you tap on the option of pay, it is going to show you the available balance in your account. Now you must be seeing that in my account I have 6.85 USDT, but it is only showing me the 1.85 USDT. So the reason here is that when you sign up for the very first time, you are going to get $5 bonus, but you can't use them in order to purchase the virtual card. So you need to deposit some crypto in your account first, then you can simply just tap on the option of pay, and the virtual card creation is very much instant. As soon as you tap on the option of pay, the money is going to be deducted from your account and you are going to see this type of virtual card available in your account. So you can view your card, you can freeze your card, you can check the limit, and you can also manage its settings. So that's how you can do it. Now if you don't know how you can deposit your crypto inside your Red.Pay account, I have separately created a dedicated video on this topic, so make sure you check that video out on the channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.